Life often presents us to different sorts of challenges, and sometimes you feel like you're not strong enough to stay in shape. If you happen to be feeling yourself poorly, you can watch an upcoming list of 10 life hacks that'll make your existence easier to handle. Let's roll! If you're going to drink tea using a tea bag, pin down its label under a cup's bottom and pour boiling water afterwards. In this way, the label won't get into your tea and there will be no need to fish it out. Since you're drinking tea, you can munch on a bread with butter and cheese in the process. To make it not overly cheesy or buttery, try cutting with a peeler. In this way, you can make it just perfect. To make cheese and butter somewhat warmer and softer, put it over a cup with hot tea while it's cooling down. Such bread, butter and cheese sandwich will be tastier and more enjoyable overall. One of the more awkward moments is when you run out of toothpaste, but need to rinse your teeth somehow. To do that, inflate the empty toothpaste tube, pour in some small amount of warm water and shake it thoroughly so that toothpaste is dissolved. In that way you can get rid of microorganisms and freshen up breath. Opening a soda bottle outside is sometimes not the easiest process. Using a lighter isn't safe as it can often fracture and make your fingers callous from applied pressure. The simpler method is to open a bottle using your keys. For that you only need to rest the key against cap notches and then start to untug them in a circle. Voila! The bottle is opened. No matter how hard you try to look after your kitchen or bathroom's cleanliness, dried up water droplets are going to leave the thinnest limescale deposits which will deface the look of faucets. Let's take a small amount of citric acid and using hot water will make a saturated solution of it. Dip a napkin in the solution and drop the tap applying force. You can also add a blob of toothpaste as an abrasive. After 2 minutes of work, the result is quite stunning. Milk and cream cartons seem to be made in a way that leaves small amounts of warmer ones inside. Not too many people know, but milk has a high biochemical oxygen demand and can be harmful to the environment if it's poured down the drain in enough quantity. To correct this situation, turn the package corner up, cut it and pour out the residual amount of milk into ice cube tray. Now the rest of the milk package won't go to waste and is able to cool down your morning coffee. Taking care for your shoes can be a delicate and demanding process. Sometimes they can lose their presence at the most inconvenient moment. For such occasion it's nice to have small magic wand. Take a yolk from a Kinder Surprise and put a piece of foam rubber inside, though you should cut it in an appropriate shape beforehand. Now you can take action on various cases. You've bought hamburgers and brought them home. After a couple of hours, they lose their initial taste. To make it appear again, wrap the hamburger in its wrapping and put into microwave for 30 seconds on a low power setting. Moisture that is left in the hamburger will start to evaporate and in turn soften its bun and the patty. Have you ever noticed these two little dots on a keyboard, located on the letters F and J? They serve as a touch typing reference point. Next time you're typing, put your digits on and feel them. Your brain will navigate through these dots subconsciously in the process of practicing touch typing, and in a literal couple of days you'll likely be typing significantly faster. Well then, dear friends, I hope that you've enjoyed this video and you will send it to your friend in misery so that he can simplify his life as well. Simple Maker was on the line as always. Sub to my channel, hit that like button and take it easy. I will see you all later. Bye bye.